Chapter 5 Food and Drink. Turn to page 88 in your textbook. We have learned food and drinks, so there are lots of vocab about it. First of all, the food. Start with 面包, 面条, 面 and 炒面. So they all have a character 面. This means flour. So if it's 面包, 包 means a bag. So flour bag, that is bread. 面条, 条 is strip. So flour strip, that is noodle. They also have the character 炒. On the left side, it's a fire radical. On the right side, it looks like a wok. So that is fry, stir fry. Stir fry plus noodle, stir fry noodle. That's about the 面. And also they have the character 饭. 饭 means rice. 米 also means rice. 饭 normally means with the cooked rice. And this means uncooked rice. We also mentioned 炒 in the previous slide. So 炒 plus 饭 means fried rice. You can see in the 饭 they have this radical. This is a meal radical, which often appear in the 饺子, 饺. This means dumpling. Here is the meal radical. You can see in the Chinese food vocab, there are some words always end with 子, same as this 包. Think about where have we learned this 包 before? Yes, the answer is 面包. So that's about the wheat flour food. Then we move on to the meat. This character 肉, it means meat. So if you add with this one, which means beef, this one sheep, and this one pork. So this pork, 猪, on the left side, think about where have we learned the radical before. And this one, if you don't pay attention, you will write like this character. This means noon, 午. And this one, does it look like a sheep? Yes. So 牛肉, 猪肉, and 羊肉 means different kind of meat. Use the same way if you say 鸡. We learned this right side before, which means bird in the pet section. This whole character means chicken. So chicken plus 蛋. It means chicken egg. If it plus with the meat, that means chicken meat. And also we have 水果, 冰淇淋. So this is the water, this is fruit, water fruit, just the fruits in general. This 冰淇淋 have lots of water radical, you might find that in the first character there's only 2 dots, and the second and third water radical have 3 dots. For the water radical, they have different forms, either this or this or this. So this radical normally with 冰, it means ice. This one, such as 河, means river. And this one, 热, means hot. Can you find any clue? So, really cold, mild temperature, and hot. After all the food vocab, we have the drinks. So, for example, 咖啡, we talk about the ice cube, 咖啡. 牛奶, 牛, the cow, 奶, milk, cow milk. So if you can use the same way, you can say 羊奶. Not sure the pig got 奶, no. So you can only have to say 牛奶 and 羊奶. And we also have 水, 茶, 果汁. This 果 means fruit, 汁 juice. 茶, what's the radical on the top? Yes, grass radical. We seen it in the 英国人, 英. After that, we have eat and drink. That's the verb. So with the mouth radical, of course, you have to use the PDA structure, I plus verb plus action. So PDA. So I eat pork. How would you say that? Yes, 我吃猪肉. If you want to add the time, you can say I breakfast eat fruit. 我早饭吃水果. Simple as that. Then if you want to be more specific, you can say 杯 or 碗. Those two are the measure word. So 杯 always plus with the liquid. 碗 is always with food. So 一杯咖啡, 一碗米饭. Finally, we have very important word 想, which has 2 meaning, want to or would like to. So, I want to eat chocolate. 我想吃巧克力. Or I would like to eat pizza. 我想吃比萨饼. Those are all the summary for Chapter 5, Food and Drink.